Welcome friends, how have to be guys, most welcome my YouTube channel, and you can enjoy its beautiful information ideas. You can enjoy. Hope so friends, you will enjoying its beautiful video. And let's come friends, now I'm sharing with you beautiful elegant bodycon ideas that I'm introducing with you. Hope so friends, you will enjoying its beautiful video, and kindly friends subscribe my YouTube channel. You can enjoying its beautiful video. These are very beautiful elegant information collection ideas. Hope so friends, you will enjoying its beautiful information and have a very elegant exceptional ideas I'm sharing with you. You can gain a different thinking information ideas that I'm introducing. Subscribe my YouTube channel and you can gain a different thinking and different terminologies ideas I'm introducing. Hope so friends, you will gain a different thinking information ideas, elegant bodycon design ideas I'm introducing. You can enjoying its video, and different dark light colors I'm sharing with you. Have a very beautiful tragic companion design ideas where I'm introducing, uploading its video. Your friends, your mutual friends, your overall social personality which you know have that, and you can like these beautiful ideas. Subscribe my YouTube channel and you can gain a different thinking ideas that I'm introducing you, and you can gain a different thinking ideas. Also friends, these are very beautiful information ideas because that's are very beautiful elegant ideas I'm sharing with you. You can enjoying its beautiful video. And friends, subscribe my YouTube channel. You can gain a different thinking ideas and different terminologies collection where I'm introducing. Hope so friends, you will enjoying its beautiful and greatest information synopsis ideas where I'm introducing. You can gain a different thinking ideas related to my YouTube channel and elegant bodycon dresses ideas I'm sharing with you. Hope so friends, we will enjoying its beautiful ideas, and thank you so much friends for watching its video at the last which I'm sharing with you. You can enjoying its greatest information and elegant ideas that I'm introducing. Hope so friends, you can enjoying its beautiful information ideas. Subscribe my YouTube channel and you can enjoying its beautiful information ideas that's very beautiful and elegant collection ideas I'm introducing. Hopefully friends, you will enjoying my video that's I'm introducing. You can enjoying its beautiful video. Subscribe my YouTube channel and you can enjoying its beautiful information ideas that's I'm